Hello friends, in this video we are going to check if object is an array or not. So let's check it. So I'm just defining the array. Okay, so let's define an array. Const my array. Right here I'm going to define the names in an array. So define Rahul, James, or Smith. Three names are enough. Next console.log check. We have the method is array. So let's add this. Here I'm going to add this. Let's check is array. So my array I have already pasted. Add it. My array. Paste it over here. Let's check. So my array is this one, right? So when array is printing, now print is array, whether it is array or not, true or false. Load this. It's true. Let me convert another one with the object, but here we have added the object. This is the object, right? Let me uncomment this. This is the object. Let's pass it. New console and paste it over here. So I have printing this one. I have passing the object, but it returns false. That means and this object is not an array, that is already it is an object, right? And this is an array, so it will define whether it is written true, that means it's an array. If it is not, then it is an object, right? So this is how. There is another one that is called type of, right? Which you can define whether it is an object or array, right? Mostly we are using type of, right? So hope you understand how to check if the object is an array or object. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.